Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare an easy winter melon curd curry. So let's see what all ingredients we need. For that I have taken a piece of winter melon, five tablespoons of yogurt or curd, 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, oil as needed, salt as needed, then 1 shallot. If you have small shallots you can take 5 or 6, 2 green chilies and curry leaves, 5 or 6 curry leaves, 3 dry red chili, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of methi seeds and half teaspoon of cumin seeds. So let's see how we are going to prepare this. Now I have cleaned and cut the winter melon into pieces. I am going to boil this with a little bit of water. I have kept the winter melon pieces and green chilli in a pan to boil. With that I am going to add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt, and little bit of water. I am not adding more water as we are going to add the coconut paste and the yogurt later. So let's start boiling now. I have added only 1 green chilli now, as I am going to grind the coconut paste with the other green chilli. I have kept winter melon for boiling. It won't take much time to boil. So in the meanwhile, I am going to make a coconut paste to add. For that, in a blender, I am going to add the coconut, the fresh grated coconut, with the coconut, I am going to add the remaining turmeric powder and the cumin seeds. With that, I am going to add 1 green chilli, 2 or 3 curry leaves, and little bit of water. So let's do blending. As you can see, the winter melon pieces are almost cooked. It's 80% cooked. So I am going to add the ground paste of coconut into this. You can keep the medium in the flame. You can keep the flame in the medium. I am adding a little bit of water to the mixie, and I am adding that water to the gravy. After adding the grounded paste, you can close with the lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. If you want, you can add more salt now. Once it gets a good boil, I am going to add the beaten yogurt or curd. We have to beat it nicely and we can add it. Keep the flame low and give a good mix. As you can see, it is in nice thick consistency. So I am not adding any water. We need thick consistency with the curd. Try to add thick curd rather than the watery curd. So it will give a good taste to the curry. So again I am going to keep it for 2 to 3 minutes and I will switch off the flame. This time you can add the salt if you want. I am adding more salt here. For the curry, we need to do tempering. For that, I have kept one small pan. In that, I am going to add 1.5 tablespoon of oil. You can use any cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, I am going to add the mustard seeds. I forgot to mention when I showed you the ingredients. Now I am adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. With that, I am going to add methi seeds, dry red chilies, curry leaves, and the shallot. Let's change to a good color. I am going to do tempering. So let's do tempering now. Adding more shallots will give the flavor to the curry. So try to take more shallots. And after adding the tempering, close with the lid. So the curry will give you a good flavor, and the tempering also will enhance the taste. So keep it again for 5 minutes after closing. After that you can serve. The winter melon curd curry is ready. It is easy to make and it is one of the best combination for the rice. You can serve it with rice. Hope you like this recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Thank you.